Welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist, and celebrity gossip happening around. If you're a first-time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Ultimate love, noblemen existing in the love pad. To be learned, virtue must be seen, experienced, and appreciated. Unknown in times where the existence of chivalry is questioned, the love girls just keep surprising and reminding us that it still is and will be around for times to come. Bolar served chivalry goals when Bolanle woke up to a love letter from her partner Arnold, and we thought of other gestures we have witnessed in the love pad. Giving coats, jackets to partners. We have seen this a lot in the love pad, and most of the time the gentlemen don't hesitate to offer their jackets. It might be a small act, but the thought behind makes all the difference in the world. Throwing compliments. One thing that is a marvel to see in the love pad is the compliments the love guests offer one another. We have witnessed the ladies complimenting each other on their makeup, skills, and cooking. A compliment can brighten a person's mood, and the love girls surely know how to. Sneaking a note. To my special one, who wouldn't melt if they woke up to such words? Well, we have seen it happen in the love pad, and it got us all envious and appreciative of all the efforts we have seen and keep seeing. Telling them you love them without expectation, and because you mean it. These days, many people take the time telling their partners they love them simply because they feel it and not reciprocated. Telling your partner should come easily if you mean it, and reciprocation should only be the cherry. However, if you mean it and they don't say it back, it shouldn't worry you because it's what you're feeling at the moment. Our love couples have said these words to one another and made us want to fall in love all over again. Looking at chivalry as a necessity. It's the simple thing that counts, goes a long way in relationship, and if done right, a relationship can grow even stronger. Chivalry isn't one-sided, and even though we are in the modern age, a little reminder of appreciation makes a huge difference. Our love guests have truly shown us that it isn't dead, and it's a beautiful thing to witness. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section below.